𝗬𝗵. Introducing 𝗬𝗵, the perfect coffee companion that fits in your pocket. This portable grinder offers both manual and electric modes, making it easy to grind your coffee beans to perfection. The electric mode provides quick and convenient brewing, while the manual mode offers precision grinding for the perfect flavor. The grinder is easy to use and clean, and the portable battery pack allows for 50 cycles, making it perfect for on-the-go coffee drinkers. Whether you prefer espresso, cold brew, or anything in between, 𝗬𝗵 gives you complete control over grind adjustability, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite coffee just the way you like it. Get your hands on the 𝗬𝗵 2-in-1 grinder today. 𝗬𝗏𝗡 P2. Are you tired of breathing in stale, polluted air? Say hello to 𝗬𝗏𝗡 P2, the solution to all your air purification needs. With just 10 minutes of use, this cord-free and wire-free air purifier can revitalize your air and make it pure and fresh. The powerful battery allows for up to 24 hours of air purification, so you can purify your air anywhere, anytime. 𝗬𝗏𝗡 P2 is a smart choice for smart homes. It works with your existing smart home systems and even supports voice control. With 4 stages of H13 HEPA filters, the P2 has a 99.97% filtration rate, effectively removing particles as small as 80 nanometers. Its activated carbon is the secret weapon against kitchen smoke, pet odors, and other harmful pollutants. Not only does 𝗬𝗏𝗡 P2 purify your air, it also adds some ambience to your home. Customizing its lighting effects uses the dedicated app, and stay updated on your air quality insights. The 𝗬𝗏𝗡 P2 is smart enough to adjust its purifying power based on your surroundings, ensuring that you always have the cleanest air possible. Get ready to breathe easy with 𝗬𝗏𝗡 P2. 𝗘𝗀𝘆. Get ready to revolutionize your cutting game. With various materials in every direction, upgrading your cutting level has never been easier. Presenting 𝗘𝗀𝘆, the premium ultrasonic cutter that will leave you impressed. 𝗘𝗀𝘆 is lightning fast and precise, cutting objects with a whopping 40,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second. Say goodbye to rough cuts and hello to smooth, effortless slicing with the 𝗘𝗀𝘆. Plus, it comes with specialized blades that are designed to handle different materials with ease. The choice is yours. Take your cutting to the next level with 𝗘𝗀𝘆. Enjoy professional-grade quality on all your projects and get that industry-standard finish you've always wanted. With 3 levels of powerful modes, you have the flexibility to adjust the force according to your needs. And with the continuous mode, you can work comfortably for extended periods without having to constantly press the button. Compact and portable, 𝗘𝗀𝘆 is the perfect solution for all your cutting needs. Simply select and cut. Say hello to a new level of cutting convenience and quality with 𝗘𝗀𝘆. 𝗬𝗏𝗃. Introducing the all-new GT1 from 𝗬𝗃, a product of years of hard work and dedication. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee at work with this innovative mug. Simply pour in your freshly brewed coffee and set your desired temperature. With a battery life of 90 minutes, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice, even on your busiest days. The GT1 is packed with user-friendly features, starting with its temperature and power display. The plus and minus keys and touch keys make it a breeze to adjust the temperature to your liking. And when the desired temperature is reached, the mug will let you know with a 10-second flash on the display. Plus, you can extend its battery life by using it with a wireless charging base. To make things even easier, you can adjust the temperature on the go with the 𝗬𝗃 app. And if you're out and about and the battery runs low, simply replace the magnetic battery base in seconds to reset the temperature and get back to enjoying your perfectly heated coffee. Last but not least, the GT1 is available in a variety of colors to add some fun and flair to your daily routine. 𝗬𝗏 500. Say goodbye to discomfort, fatigue, and pain with the next-generation sneaker 𝗬𝗏 500. This revolutionary shoe offers a world of comfort with its advanced UV light and heating dryer system, customizable cushion and massage feature, and IoT chips. With its self-sufficient technology, 𝗬𝗏 500 eliminates bacteria and unpleasant odors, keeping your feet clean and dry. With 2 gear options, low for soft comfort and high for maximum support, and a relaxing massage feature, 𝗬𝗏 500 will cater to your every comfort need. Start your journey towards never-ending comfort and get your pair today. 𝗵𝗵. Introducing 𝗵𝗍𝗍𝗆, the revolutionary e-ink gallery 3 tablet that's changing the game with its advanced color e-paper technology. This industry-defining device not only boasts e-ink gallery 3, but also a range of cutting-edge specs and features. With 𝗵𝗍𝗍𝗆, the possibilities are endless. Read your favorite magazine, jot down notes, or unleash your creativity. It's up to you. Plus, this versatile tablet makes for a powerful productivity tool, helping you create impactful presentations with ease. People believe that 𝗵𝗍𝗍𝗆 is much more than a work companion. It's your constant companion for entertainment too. Imagine reading comic books at home that feel like physical books. 𝗵𝗍𝗍𝗆 isn't just for you, but for your entire family. Snap a selfie or import family photos and preserve those memories forever. Color is key to conveying information, emotions, and ideas. And now, for the first time ever, you can experience all the colors of life on an e-ink tablet. 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗆. 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗆 Good Sleep is the solution to restless nights. This device offers white noise, controls room temperature and humidity levels, and even tracks your sleep data with the accompanying smart band. Choose from sleep-inducing white noise or simulated delta brainwaves, or play your own music via Bluetooth. 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗆 also serves as an ultrasonic humidifier, allowing you to adjust mist and humidity levels for optimal sleep. It sterilizes the air, reducing stress levels and promoting fresh air. Invest in better sleep with 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗆 and experience restful nights and refreshed mornings. Snaps. In 2006, Apple changed the game with their magnetic charging adapter that revolutionized the charging experience for Mac users. Not only was it small and convenient, but it also prevented any unfortunate accidents. But why has it taken so long for this type of technology to reach our mobile devices? Well, worry no more. Snaps has arrived and is ready to revolutionize the way you charge your mobile phone. Whether you only have one hand free or are in a hurry, Snaps makes it easier than ever to charge your device on the go. And the best part, it not only makes your life more convenient, but also protects your phone no matter where you are. Designing Snaps was no small feat. The biggest challenge was creating a compact size while ensuring it would work with any phone case. But after numerous prototypes and countless hours of testing, Snaps has finally been condensed into a device the size of your fingertip. It's quick, simple, and oh so convenient. SuperBook. The SuperBook is a remarkable device that takes your Android smartphone to the next level. By connecting your phone to the SuperBook via a USB cable, you can transform it into a full-fledged laptop. The SuperBook provides a keyboard, multi-touch trackpad, and display, while your smartphone brings its computing power, files, and apps. With 𝗬𝗫𝗫, an app that enhances the Android operating system, you can enjoy a desktop-like experience with a mouse cursor, keyboard shortcuts, improved web browsing, streamlined file management, and access to all your smartphone apps from the Play Store. The SuperBook is compatible with all modern Android devices and has a battery life of over 8 hours, while also charging your smartphone. With its future-proof design, you can be confident that it will work seamlessly with your new device. Go Welding. Transform your welding and cutting experience with Go Welding, the ultimate 5-in-1 welder and cutter. Say goodbye to outdated machines and enjoy efficiency, speed, and versatility with its advanced MIG welding process. With a powerful 200 amps and plasma cutting capability, it can handle any project with ease. The machine even allows you to store up to 10 welding settings, making it easier to switch between projects. And for a complete welding experience, Go Welding comes with accessories and consumables. 𝗘𝗀𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗀. Say goodbye to the hassle of disposable floss picks. Every year, over 1.2 billion used floss picks like this end up filling a baseball stadium 12,381 times. But we're on a mission to change that. Introducing the revolutionary 𝗘𝗀𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆 floss pick. Compact, lightweight, and super effective. With just one simple push, you can effortlessly clean your teeth and enjoy a fresh, clean feeling. And here's the best part. After each use, the floss restrings itself. No more waste, no more pollution. And because we care about your health, each floss is stored separately and sterilized to ensure maximum hygiene. Say goodbye to germs and odors and say hello to a cleaner, greener world with the 𝗘𝗀𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆 floss pick. Power Up Dart. Get ready to soar to new heights with Power Up Dart, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane that takes aerobatic flying to the next level. No longer do you have to settle for plain old flying. With Dart, you can loop, barrel roll, and even fly vertically. This little wonder is easy to control. Simply fold a piece of paper into a plane, attach the module, and download the app. You'll be amazed at how intuitive it is to fly, with the wings following your every move as you steer with your phone. The secret to Dart's incredible aerobatic capabilities is its high thrust-to-weight ratio and unique shape. Even better, it's nearly indestructible thanks to its carbon fiber construction and easily charges through its micro USB port. But why settle for just one plane when you can make so many more, each with its own unique tricks and capabilities? Try making 5, 10, or even 50 planes and arrange your own aerobatic dogfights or air shows. This cool little device is perfect for flying around the office and can even be used to send a love note. PowerUp Dart is now ready for production, so if you want to experience the thrill of aerobatic flying with the most incredible plane of them all, back PowerUp Dart and start flying today. If you like the video, check out this video, Ingenious Cool Tools That Are Absolutely Shocking Part 1.